to another video. I know it's been a long time since I've put a video out, and that wasn't supposed to be the plan, but now I'm back trying to make videos at least once a week. I have a bunch of stuff planned for videos, a lot of stuff mainly with the IS, but this also too, this has a case swap planned in an amount of time, but I already have the swap. It's more enjoying it for now, and then when I'm ready to go case swap, then starting the process of that. But this video mainly is going to be a walk around about the giveaway car I won, and you know, street driving, pulls, but mainly just showing the car that I got as like a, not an introduction back to the channel, but just to start again. Basically, I'm considering it like a fresh start to the channel, because I really only made 2 videos and I didn't make videos again. But I'm back, and this is the car right here. This is a 2000 Civic EX. Has a lot of EM1 things, so I guess you can say is sort of an EM1 clone. But the car itself is immaculate. At least I would consider it's repainted. But little things and repainted, such as all these trims right here, everything was replaced for the paint job. Everything is brand new. All these right here, it's literally, it's perfect in my eyes. But I'll be showing around everything that it has, what it came with, and yeah, just basically just showing the car. All right, so starting off here, one of my favorite things is the EM1 lip. These lips right now, back then they were not this expensive, and now this is almost like a $700 lip right here, and it is off the SI of this car. EM1 grill, has rotor slips with R888Rs, Willwood calipers. Side markers, I'm not sure if these are, let me see, no, these are not OEM, but pretty sure those are supposed to be like the EK9, the Type R. Also, a lot of people put them on EM1s. Right here has a OEM third brake light, which is, it's not a third brake light, it's a fog light. It's a fog light for the bumper. Yeah, pretty much the car. This is basically, if you guys didn't know, like 2 weeks before I got this car in the giveaway, I bought a silver EK coupe, and I bought a right-hand drive clip, and I had the case up ready. So this is basically my plans that I was gonna do myself, and then I won the giveaway car, so I got rid of the other stuff. So everything worked out perfectly, if you ask me. But yeah, literally, man, mint everything. All these trims are brand new. Don't mind the bird spatter right here. Go on into the inside. Everything is suede wrapped, and it's suede wrapped, but it's also upholstery. You can see all the stitching that is done around this. Everything was done really well. Nothing, you don't see anything, you know, bubbly or like it was homemade. But we got the suede wrapped doors, center console, the dash, what else? The whole headliner, the A-pillars, even these, you can see the detail that they took in suede wrapping these. You can see the stitching. It's pretty dope. You got the Momo steering wheel. One of the other things that I was gonna buy for the other car. Exactly everything I wanted is already in this car. Has an EM1 cluster, which I'll be swapping back to the S2000 cluster that was in here. It was just a few things that needed to be wired up, so I decided I'm just gonna wire it up later. But yeah, man, don't mind the dirt. I got a vacuum. But yeah, literally everything is minty. These are Caros right here. Probably one of my favorite parts in the interior. Never really, I've sat in some before, but after driving it a few times, these things are so comfortable, and I'm probably gonna keep these forever. I do have I have the 8th gen seats. Not sure if I'm gonna throw these in here. Maybe if those start getting worn and I don't want to rip through them, I'll put the 8th gen seats in there. But I'll show you guys under the hood and what's here. It's a JDM block B20B with a B16 head. Not sure what the cams are. They're probably stock cams. I don't know if they're B16 or B18 GSR, but ARP studs, titanium intake. So just a regular filter. It had a little V-stack on it, but I didn't want catching dirt, so I just put a temporary filter from my garage for now. But it has a LS trans. That's pretty much all. I don't really see. Oh, it has AC. That's like a major thing for me. Love that it has AC still, and I'm keeping that when I do the case swap. But yeah, apart from that, it's stock. Everything is done pretty nicely. You know, it's like a OEM, tucked a little bit of the harness, nothing crazy, but it's just beautiful. I love it. Have no complaints about this car. And yeah, I just can't wait to add my own touch, you know, do little things in here just to make it my car. Here, let me start it up. Believe it's a tri-Y header, I'm not completely sure. Straight piped all the way back to a vibrant. Sounds pretty good in my opinion. But yeah, I did ever since I got it, I've done the valve cover. I did wrinkle black, it used to be gloss black. I did the front main seal, both cam seals, and that's about it. I haven't done much else. Next I gotta just fix the temperature sensors. Right now it's not reading temp, and I thought it was a cluster. Changed out the cluster, and it still doesn't read temp. So I'm just gonna change the sensor, see if that gives me anything. Believe it has no thermostat, I could be wrong, but if it doesn't, put that back in. Just put everything back to stock, because when you put the key on, the fan turns on too. I just want to put everything OEM, but now let's go. I'm gonna go back there and I'll take you guys on a ride along. Got you guys right here on the 4 cam. Yeah. Let's go on a little ride. I drove it to work once, but I just drive it as a weekend cruiser, just because everything's so nice. I don't want to ruin it. So sometimes if I feel like I'm driving it to work, you know, it's like 30 minutes on I-4, I get paranoid. I don't want nobody to hit my shit, because at the end of the day, insurance sees this car as like a $2,000 car, and I'm not with that. But this is the spot right here. Got the views, got the turns. But we won't get rowdy till we reach a later spot. It's Lake Monroe right there, Sanford, but it's on the Deltona side. videos with the B20V because I want to see a lot of comparison on what this is. versus a K20. I have a bone stock K20 Z3, and the only reason I want to do these comparisons is because I hear a lot of controversy on stock K20 versus B20V. It makes around the same power or whatever. But me personally, yeah, I love the whole, you know, B20V's the OG, but damn, we're stuck behind somebody. But me personally, I'll pick K20 just because, one, these motors are getting old. A lot of parts aren't really as common as the K swap, and familiar with both, but I just prefer K20. A lot more parts available for it right now than the B series. The B series basically just getting outdated. So it's another thing about driving right-hand drive. You can never see on the other side, but good. I want to get one here a certain type of time. I thought Sunday evening, you know, this shit would be dead. But there's some days I come here and this shit is completely dead, but not today. Move, bitch. Ah, damn. Do a little launch right here. Not too shabby. I do have a B16 trans on the way. I ordered it from like Montana, I think. I don't really trust these Orlando people buying transmissions, so bought it from Montana. Dude's supposed to be shipping it this week. Yeah, we'll see if we can get a good run on the way back, because moving slow out here. I don't have the balls to cut around this way because I can't see shit that way. other than the rubbing, this shit feels pretty good. Car feels pretty solid. So whenever I do this case swap, I'll be coming back to the same place. And actually, before I take this out, I want to do time clocks. See, like, you know, to get from the beginning of this trail to the end, and see what time differences they are. But I'm about to make a stop and see. I want to get some flybys of the car, and then after that, it's pretty much going to be the end of this video. But another thing I didn't say too that I meant to add when I was talking about making comparisons is once that B16 trans gets here, I'm gonna make the same thing that I was talking about with the K series, but with the LS trans right now. I'll do like time, or, you know, just comparisons, and then I want to make a video with the B16 trans and see how much of a difference does the tranny really do, and you know, making the car feel quicker and whatever. Because these LS trans are good for boost, but for all motors, and you can see they got long ass gears that like kind of dies in the next gear. Not really, but a little bit. Like once you get that B16 trans, you'll feel it'll stay in that power band all the way through fifth. But yeah, that was it. About to take these outside clips. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Expect more videos to come at least once a week. That's what I'm aiming for. Have a content on this, content on the IS, a few things coming up now that we got the shop. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it, give me feedback, let me know what you guys want to see, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.